Hey YouTube, Abdel Car Fix. I got something for you today. 2012 Hyundai Accent, 1.6 liter engine, and the knock sensor. The car was running really poorly, running no acceleration, dying, constantly dying, shutting off. It was hard to drive it here for the customer. They struggled, they said, to bring it to my shop. They got it here. I put the scanner, came up with the knock sensor code. So I'll show you how to change the knock sensor on this vehicle really simply and easy, guys. It's, if you look under this, the front, you can jack it up on a stand, put on jack stands and go under for those who don't have a lift. And then if you go up here, you see that bolt, that 12 mil bolt. That's the knock sensor, guys. That's the knock sensor. Put a 12 millimeter bolt socket on it and take it out. And then this is the harness you follow right there. See that? That's the new sensor. The car running perfectly now after I put new sensor in it. That's the sensor. Okay. That's the bolt right there. It bolts into the engine block. That black round. Let me show you. Let me see if I can do the light and show you with my fingers. You see, trying to get my finger in here if I can. See that? Anyway, I have a trouble getting my hand there. But that's the 12 mil bolt. You take it out, you pull the sensor, and the harness here, you squeeze it, you pop it open, and replace the sensor. It's not hard to do, guys. I got this one on O'Reilly. One of the best parts they sell. It's that, what do you call it? Import Direct. It's a good brand, good quality. I buy them from them. So you do that, you clear the code, and your vehicle should run great again. Thank you for watching my video. That's all I have for you for today. And I hope for those who are not subscribing to my channel, I hope those guys subscribe. I need subscribers to keep those videos going to you guys. Thank you again. Thank you for watching.